Aye, everywhere you go, roadworks. And look at it, this is a Sunday.
Yeah.
Unbelievable, eh? Aye, Cooper, you would be coming off here as well, eh?
Aye.
It's going to fly right up your inside, Alec. Because he's
Yeah.
driving a Coulport with 4 exhausts out the back here. You fucking tit.
We could have went in the motorway, couldn't we?
Ah, fuck that, motorway's shite.
Yeah.
It's a cyclist that's causing all this carnage. It's not even a cyclist, it's an idiot on a bike. Look at the way it's dressed. It's probably one of it's probably one of our hotel guests.
Yes.
Aye, tell you. Aye, it's looking a bit dull, eh?
I wish we were doing the
Ah, well, we're going to be we're heading over that way anyway, so
Going to get back up in a minute.
yeah.
Fucking hate it.
So they are.
Going to get fucking stoked in the
Aye.
there's a garage up here, isn't it?
It's too bad we can abandon it, it's not a problem. I can feel my trousers getting wet already.
It's fucking hell. Up in this garage, right?
Aye. This jacket's no waterproof either.
Yeah, look at this.
No.
That was just about turn there.
Aye. I'm going to stick my waterproofs on if we stop at the garage, yeah.
Go to the garage, you'd be a waterproof, son.
Aye. See, if you bought your waterproofs last week, or the week before that, you'd be able to put yours on. Might be flash it.
I've both fucking traffic lights kind of are coming down.
Coming down by the looks of it.
So you got fucking soaked already.
So am I. Fucking soaked.
Sake, man.
Abandon, I think, eh? You know, the funny thing is, your bike was spotless, you washed it.
I know. So I cleaned all the wheels too.
I know. What's that deal they've got on there? Vacuum insulated flask.
$9.99. I've got fucking tons of them, Sean.
I've got a metal one, like.
That's the metal one I've got.
I'm going to take these glasses off as well, because they're steaming up.
You can't see a fucking thing.
Nah. Stick them in my box.
I thought we might have had the occasional shower like we had, but I wasn't expecting this.
No, that was torrential. It's no fun when it's like this, is it?
Fuck. I was on tour or something like that. You should fucking
Aye, you just got on with
for
it.
the day and dry your stuff at night.
Aye.
So much for fucking summertime, eh?
I know.
Had a good weekend last weekend.
Aye, it was hot. Nah, we can't win it all, eh? We can't win all the battles. And the roads are greasy as well. Look how shiny this road is. So that's the best thing they've ever done here, is put traffic lights up. For once I'm in agreement with traffic lights.
Because you couldn't, when you got to the top, you just had to see left and go.
Even worse when you're driving a truck.
Exactly.
No feet down.
It's fucking everywhere, look.
I know. It's even out the west now, eh?
That wasn't the weather, that wasn't the weather forecast.
I know.
You just got to watch the patches that have been fucking tarred over the top of it.
And the puddles, because you don't know if it's a pothole.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's usually the sloppy bits, isn't it?
Yeah, it was beautiful, warm sunshine on the left.
We should have gone across because What shot to Perth? It was fucking sunny as fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, hell.
It's keek. I'll stick the blower on the bike when I get it back into the garage.
I'll do the same.
I'll give it a little blowy. Nah, they wee blowers are good, eh?
That one you got me was absolutely brilliant.
That's when you know you've got a good mate. When your mate gives you a blowy for your birthday. It was funny because when I bought my blower, the mother-in-law was in the house and she says, "Oh, I've got one of them for Daisy." Daisies are Doug. I went, "What?" She went, "Ah, it's a pet dryer." I went, "No, it's a motorbike dryer." She went, "No, they're pet dryers." And then I went and had a look at pet dryers and they were like a quarter of the bloody price. This train's getting heavier.
Yeah, really. On the motorway.
Aye, for quickness, eh? Well, it'll not be that quick, because it's contraflowed, but aye.
Well, fucking stop now.
Yep. And this is my bike's first time in the rain. Proper rain, aye.
And saying that, all the times we've been out, I think we've been caught in the rain twice or something.
Aye. That, mind when we got caught in the rain at Stirling, that was an absolute riot, man.
And we drove back, we hit the fucking the sun, and we get dried out, and then we stopped for a burger.
But when we hit that rain at Stirling, Jesus Christ, man, that was torrential.
I could feel that right through my jacket.
So could I.
It's fucking dry here.
I know, strange, yeah.
Well, it's aborted for the day.
Aye, abort. Abort, abort, abort. Mission aborted. Because you've no waterproofs and it's no much fun riding when you've got wet underpants.
Soggy boys. Hey, all the weather's to be cracking tomorrow.
Happy days. Where's all this traffic coming from? This is a bloody Sunday. Unbelievable, eh? Oh, there was a couple of magpies fighting in the garden yesterday. Well, when I say a couple, there was about 10, 12 of them, eh?
Yeah.
And they were all attacking this magpie. But you know, magpies, they're partners for life, aye. So what I think maybe happened is a single guy magpie is trying to hump a female, eh? Aye, and she's obviously married to another magpie. And all the other magpies have set about him because they were really battering hell at this. I had to go and break it up.
But you never got a fucking chance of flying away.
I know. I can only presume that's what they were fighting about, eh? He was obviously
Probably.
trying to hump another magpie, but she was married. And they both set about him.
But you'll never see them on the road, there's always two of them.
Well, unless one gets splattered by a car. But do you think these magpies are go on like Tinder or something, these dating apps, to meet another magpie? Swipe right or swipe left. And instead of like plenty of fish, it could be like plenty of birds. Or they could have an app called The Nest. Right, you going straight on here?
Aye.
Right, I'll take a right.
Okay.
And go around Star Bank, eh?
I'll give you a tickle later.
Aye. You get yourself dried off. You're probably better going for a shower actually.
I'll do. I always do it back anyway.
Yeah. Right, I'll catch you later. Well, that's mission being aborted. We've only got about, what, 7 or 8 miles away. And Alex is soaked to the skin already. I'm not too bad because I managed to fire my waterproofs on. And again, I've just got my jeans and my summer jacket on, so none of them are waterproof. But I threw on the waterproofs, so I'm alright. But unfortunately, Alec didn't bring his waterproofs. Well, he's not even got waterproofs to bring, so he's got soggy balls. So we've just abandoned it for today, and we'll have another crack at it again maybe tomorrow or another day. Anyway, we've made it this far. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.